Hi guys, it's Remy. Today I'm gonna show you how to set subscribe button. It's very important, very important. Make sure that if you are new to this channel, you first subscribe, like, share with your friends, leave your comments down. I hope you will enjoy this video. Stay on, don't miss. Yes, click here, Google search, then press the subscribe button. You see there are very many subscribe button. Then click here image. You see there are very many. You can choose any subscribe you want. Then click this one. You see any type you want. See here. Then you choose this one. This one can work, and then save the image, and then set it on desktop. You put there the name of the file name, then click save. You see, you go back to your channel, click in the corner, then click YouTube Studio. Let's just a bit. Click here settings. Then click here channel. See. Then click branding. Yes, branding. Here you can put it at the end of the video, customer start time, at the entire video. Then click here replace, and you choose. You have to find it where you have saved it. Let me choose this one, then click open. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you first subscribe, like, share with your friends, and leave your comments. See you next video. Stay on, stay safe. I wish you to have a good life. Bye.